happen if we removed all the levies and all the taxes at the moment? We just suspend them for a period of time to try and bring these prices down.
You know, Jimmy, that is a very simplistic way of looking at it.
Yeah.
If you remove these prices, these levies that you are talking about, the effect on the economy is massive. Because, let me tell you, we have a lot of things also to address. Look, we have just released our children to school and we have paid money. Have you heard people complaining that this time the money for second term has not been released? We have released the capitation to schools in record time. That money, where does it come from? It comes from taxes. And then we have some specific levies, like road maintenance levy, I've told you. The rains have just stopped. We now need to get to repair our roads. How are you going to repair them if you don't have money at all? Already we have reduced VAT, which is already hitting, already has a hole on our budget. And if you remove all these taxes, where are you going to get more funding? Are you going to get more funding by taxing Kenyans in other space, like on our salaries? There is no space there. So, as we discuss this crisis, we need to be sober about it. What is happening elsewhere? At least this government has guaranteed supply of fuel. And I've said it and I want to repeat.
Yes.
If you go to other countries, the supply is a problem. Now, the other thing is that we are already cushioning. And I'm not saying there is nothing else we can do.
Yeah.
Something can be done. But the government has to say it. This afternoon, this evening actually, at 4, we have a meeting between the National Treasury, the Ministry of Transport, Davis Chirchir, myself, and Opiyo Wandayi. We are meeting, the Minister for Energy. We are meeting, hopefully, together with the matatu operators, just to discuss with them, first to understand where we are, and explore any possibility of further action that can be taken.
Yeah.
It is not that this government is insensitive. It is that we have a crisis, which is a worldwide crisis. It is a crisis in the U.S. People who are producing oil have that crisis. Today, this morning, there was a report that a drone has hit a refinery in UAE.
Yeah.
We don't know how much this war is going to cost us. Remember, in 2022, there were no fuels. Our petrol stations ran dry. We are not at that level because the government has taken proactive approach.
So
to that.
what more concessions are you currently considering as the National Treasury? And